Forgotten username recovery failed on National Bank of Canada financial fix. If you've tried to recover your username on the National Bank of Canada website and it keeps failing, don't panic. This issue is more common than most people realize, and the surprising truth is, it often comes down to a simple mismatch in your personal details. Let's go step by step to fix it and get you back into your account. First, go to the official National Bank of Canada login page and select Forgot Your Username. You'll be asked to enter identifying information such as your account number, date of birth, and the email or phone number linked to your profile. The most common reason recovery fails is that one of these details doesn't match exactly what the bank has on file. For example, if you recently updated your phone number or switched emails, the system might still recognize your old contact info. Try using your previous email or the phone number you had when you opened your account. If that works, log in and update your contact information under your profile to avoid this problem in the future. If the recovery email doesn't arrive, check your spam or junk folders. Automated messages from financial institutions can sometimes get filtered out. Also, keep in mind that only the most recent recovery email link is valid. Older ones will automatically expire for security reasons. If you still can't retrieve your username after several tries, it might be time to contact National Bank's customer service directly at 1-888-483 5628. The representatives can verify your identity securely and help you recover your login details over the phone. Once you regain access, make sure your contact info and security settings are current. Few minutes of maintenance now can save you hours of frustration later. So, if your National Bank of Canada username recovery keeps failing, it's not a system error, it's usually just a matter of correcting small details. Follow these steps carefully, and you'll be back in control of your account in no time.